So welcome to Ignite online robotics platform where kids learn robotics online at their home. Today we are going to start with our course that is the basics of robotronics. So where kids learn about the basics of like LED, resistor, breadboard, switches, batteries and everything. So we'll start this course today. So how we will going to start, what will the flow of the course? So first we will understand the basics of its components like LED, resistor, batteries, that switches and the breadboard, but will not do at a stretch. So what we will do is we'll divide it in the some parts. So first we'll understand about the LED and resistor, its basic concepts, and then we'll do the practical on our software that is called Tinkercad software. So there, on that software we will do the practicals, and after completion of that then we'll move forward for the other concepts. So that way we'll move with the first theory and that practical theory, practical that way, so that you can understand each part properly with the practical examples. Okay, so let's start with the first, so that is the LED and resistor basic concepts. So that I will switch to the laptop mode, and there we'll first see what is LED, what is resistor, how to use it, and then we'll switch to the software part and we'll understand complete software layout, and then how to make the circuit on the software, that will understand.